Welcome to the Strategy of Saving. Today, we're breaking down budgeting basics, the foundation of financial freedom. Whether you're struggling with expenses or simply want to make your money work harder for you, this guide will help you take control of your finances, once and for all. Why budget? Let's start with the why. Did you know that according to a recent survey, nearly 65% of Americans don't know how much money they spent last month? Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about awareness and intention. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It helps you track where your cash is going, prioritize what matters most to you, and ultimately, reach your financial goals faster. Whether you're saving for a vacation, trying to pay off debt, or building wealth for the future, a budget is your roadmap. Understanding your income and expenses. The first step to creating an effective budget is knowing exactly how much money is coming in and going out each month. Let's start with your income. Calculate your total monthly income after taxes. Include your primary job, any side hustles, passive income, or regular financial gifts. This is your foundation, the total amount you have to work with each month. Next, track your expenses. Review your bank and credit card statements from the past 3 months to identify spending patterns. Categorize your expenses into fixed expenses. These don't change month to month, like rent, insurance, or loan payments. Variable necessities? These change but are essential, like groceries, utilities, and gas discretionary spending. The fun stuff like dining out, entertainment, or shopping. This exercise often reveals surprising insights about where your money is actually going versus where you think it's going. Choosing your budgeting method. Now that you understand your financial picture, let's explore 3 popular budgeting methods that work well for beginners. First, the 50-30-20 rule. This simple approach suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs 30% to wants 20% to savings and debt repayment. It's straightforward and flexible, making it perfect for budgeting newcomers. Second, zero-based budgeting. With this method, you assign every dollar a job until your income minus expenses equals 0. It's more detailed but provides maximum control over where every dollar goes. Third, the envelope system. Traditionally done with cash in actual envelopes, this method involves allocating specific amounts to different spending categories. When an envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category until the next month. Today, many apps simulate this experience digitally. Building your first budget. Let's put everything together and build your first budget. Start by choosing one of the methods we just discussed. The 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point if you're unsure. Open a spreadsheet or use a budgeting app like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple notebook. List all your income sources at the top. Next, list all your fixed expenses. These are non-negotiable for now. Then add your variable necessities with a reasonable amount for each. Now allocate funds for your financial goals like debt repayment or savings. Even starting with just 5 to 10% of your income toward these goals makes a difference. Finally, what remains is your discretionary spending, your fun money. Be realistic here. An overly restrictive budget is like an extreme diet. You won't stick with it. Tips for budget success. Here are 5 strategies to help you stay on track. First, automate as much as possible. Set up automatic transfers for savings and bill payments to remove temptation and eliminate late fees. Second, build a buffer. Life happens. Aim to gradually build a 1-month expenses buffer in your checking account to avoid overdrafts when unexpected costs arise. Third, use the 24-hour rule for impulse purchases. When tempted by a non-essential purchase, wait 24 hours before buying. Often, the urge passes. Fourth, review and adjust monthly. Set a recurring money date with yourself to review what worked, what didn't, and make adjustments. Fifth, celebrate small wins. Recognize your progress, whether it's staying under budget in a category or reaching a savings milestone. Conclusion. Remember, budgeting is a skill that improves with practice. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. Each month will get easier as you refine your system and build better money habits. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical financial advice. Next week, we'll dive into 5 simple ways to start saving money today. Until then, remember, every financial journey begins with awareness. Your future self will thank you for starting today.